There's something quietly remarkable about stepping into a bathroom that instantly makes you feel at ease. Before you notice the marble countertop, the brushed brass fixtures, or the neatly folded linen towels, you notice the atmosphere. It feels lighter, calmer, and somehow more welcoming. Often that transformation begins with a thoughtfully chosen paint color. The most timeless bathroom colors never demand attention. Instead, they create a sense of effortless elegance that feels just as beautiful today as it will years from now. They invite natural light to linger a little longer, soften everyday routines, and turn ordinary mornings into peaceful rituals. Today, we're exploring 10 Benjamin Moore colors that designers continue to return to because they never lose their charm. Each one offers its own unique feeling, from airy sophistication to warm, comforting luxury. And while every shade deserves its place, our number one selection has a remarkable ability to make an entire bathroom feel like a private retreat you'll never want to leave. So settle in, imagine your dream home taking shape, and let's begin. Number 10. Marblehead Gold from Benjamin Moore. We begin with a color that brings an unexpected sense of warmth and heritage into the bathroom. Marblehead Gold isn't loud or dramatic. Instead, it wraps the room in a gentle golden glow that feels collected over time, like a beautifully restored home filled with stories and character. Picture warm oak cabinetry, creamy limestone flooring, woven baskets, and softly folded linen towels catching the afternoon sunlight. Every surface feels richer without appearing overly decorated. It's the kind of bathroom where vintage elegance quietly meets modern comfort. Rather than following passing trends, Marblehead Gold celebrates lasting beauty, making every morning feel just a little slower, and every evening bath feel wonderfully unhurried. As inviting as this warmth feels, our next color introduces an entirely different kind of calm, one inspired by nature itself. Number 9. Breath of Fresh Air from Benjamin Moore. Some colors seem to open the windows even before they're touched by daylight, and Breath of Fresh Air does exactly that. Its delicate blue creates an atmosphere reminiscent of a quiet coastal morning, where soft skies meet still water and every breath feels lighter. The room instantly feels brighter, more spacious, and remarkably peaceful. Imagine sheer linen curtains moving gently beside a freestanding tub, polished nickel fixtures reflecting natural light, and white cotton towels adding crisp simplicity. Nothing feels rushed here. Even your daily routine becomes more intentional. It's an ideal choice for anyone who dreams of bringing a sense of fresh air and effortless serenity into their home. But if you're looking for something with even more timeless architectural elegance, the next color quietly raises the level of sophistication. Number 8. Gray Cloud from Benjamin Moore. Gray Cloud proves that softness and sophistication can exist in perfect harmony. This graceful gray carries an almost weightless quality, creating depth without making the room feel heavy. It allows beautiful architectural details to become the true focal point, from elegant crown molding to handcrafted vanities and carefully chosen lighting. Imagine diffused morning sunlight gliding across smooth marble countertops, while brushed brass accents add just enough warmth. The atmosphere feels refined, balanced, and incredibly calming. This is the kind of bathroom that never tries too hard to impress, yet always feels professionally designed. If quiet elegance speaks to you, the next color introduces an even gentler emotional escape. Number 7. Solitude from Benjamin Moore. Luxury often reveals itself in the moments when everything becomes still. Solitude captures that feeling with remarkable ease. Its gentle blue-gray tones create an atmosphere that encourages you to slow your pace, almost without noticing. The day's distractions begin to fade, replaced by the quiet comfort of a room designed entirely around well-being. Imagine candlelight dancing softly across natural stone, a vase of fresh eucalyptus resting nearby, layered cotton and linen adding warmth, and ambient lighting casting delicate shadows as evening settles outside. This isn't simply where the day begins or ends, it's where you pause. If peaceful retreat speaks to your heart, the next color offers a different kind of comfort, one filled with warmth, softness, and welcoming light. Number 6. Natural cream from Benjamin Moore. Natural cream reminds us that luxury doesn't always come from contrast. Sometimes it comes from softness. Its gentle warmth fills the room with an inviting glow that feels comforting from the very first moment you step inside. Morning light becomes warmer, evening lighting becomes richer, and every natural material appears more refined. Imagine white oak cabinetry, creamy quartz surfaces, handcrafted ceramics, and oversized cotton towels arranged with quiet simplicity. The room feels lived in, welcoming, and effortlessly elegant. Rather than feeling overly bright, natural cream creates an atmosphere that gently embraces everyone who enters. Our next selection, however, brings an entirely different kind of timeless freshness that designers have admired for decades. Number 5. Simply White from Benjamin Moore. There is a reason Simply White remains one of Benjamin Moore's most celebrated colors. It offers brightness without feeling stark and elegance without ever becoming cold. Instead of dominating the room, it allows beautiful textures, natural wood, stone, and carefully selected decor to shine. Imagine sunlight softly filling the bathroom, reflecting gently across polished marble, while fresh greenery adds quiet life to every corner. The entire space feels effortlessly clean, spacious, and beautifully composed. It's the kind of timeless backdrop that continues to feel current regardless of changing design trends. Still, our next color introduces something many luxury homes quietly embrace: a stronger connection to nature. Number 4. Saybrook Sage from Benjamin Moore. There is something deeply comforting about bringing the colors of nature indoors, and Saybrook Sage does so with remarkable grace. Its muted green creates an atmosphere that feels grounded, peaceful, and beautifully balanced. Rather than making a statement, it encourages a slower pace of living. Picture handcrafted wood cabinetry, antique brass fixtures, textured stone flooring, and sunlight filtering gently through woven shades. The bathroom begins to resemble a private countryside spa where every detail encourages relaxation. This color feels especially meaningful for homeowners seeking timeless elegance with an organic soul. As soothing as this retreat feels, our top 3 become even more emotionally unforgettable. Number 3. Basset Hall Green from Benjamin Moore. Some interiors possess an unmistakable sense of permanence. Basset Hall Green brings that feeling into the bathroom with quiet confidence, blending historic character with timeless sophistication. Picture beautifully paneled walls, unlacquered brass gently aging over time, crisp white linens folded with care, and warm sconces casting a soft evening glow across handcrafted details. Nothing feels excessive. Everything feels meaningful. This is the kind of room that becomes more beautiful as the years pass, developing character rather than chasing new trends. As refined as this atmosphere feels, our next choice welcomes a softer expression of luxury, one shaped almost entirely by light. Number 2. Swiss Coffee from Benjamin Moore. Swiss coffee has become beloved for one simple reason: it makes people feel at home. Its creamy warmth gently transforms throughout the day, greeting the morning with quiet freshness before embracing the richer glow of evening. That natural rhythm gives the room a comforting sense of life. Imagine thick linen towels, honed marble, warm oak cabinetry, fresh white flowers, and carefully layered lighting creating an atmosphere that feels elegant without effort. Nothing appears staged. Instead, everything feels beautifully lived in. It's a color that quietly reminds us that true luxury isn't about perfection. It's about comfort. And that brings us to the final room on today's tour. Number 1. Angelica from Benjamin Moore. If there is one color that captures the essence of quiet luxury, Angelica may be the closest expression of it. Its extraordinary softness doesn't overwhelm the room or compete with its surroundings. Instead, it gently gathers every element together: light, texture, architecture, and natural materials, creating an atmosphere that feels effortlessly complete. Imagine sunlight filtering through flowing linen drapery, warm oak cabinetry illuminated by layered lighting, polished marble catching delicate reflections, and fresh flowers resting quietly beside the vanity. As evening arrives, the room becomes even more inviting, wrapped in a gentle glow that encourages you to slow down, breathe deeply, and simply enjoy being home. That is what makes Angelica so memorable. It isn't just beautiful, it changes how the room feels. And in many ways, that's the most timeless kind of luxury there is. Which of these timeless Benjamin Moore colors feels most like your dream bathroom? I'd love to hear your favorite in the comments below, or tell us which shade you've already welcomed into your home. Your ideas may inspire someone else who's planning their own peaceful retreat. If you enjoyed today's journey through timeless bathroom design, there's even more cozy inspiration waiting for you. Join me in the next video as we explore another collection of elegant colors and beautifully livable interiors designed to make every room feel warmer, calmer, and effortlessly luxurious. Until next time, thank you for spending these quiet moments with me, and I hope your home continues to become a place that feels as beautiful as it looks.